Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new webinar provided by Centurion Invest. So, this is your host, Rami Kamar, market analyst at Centurion Invest. So, guys, today we'll be talking about basically what does CI offer, and then we will dig into some analysis and potentially some trades to take today. So starting off with centurioninvest.com, which is our website, I have logged into my account. Here you can see the account overview. You can see whatever you have, coins, fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies, or whatever you have in your wallet. And here you can also see some huge projects with a great potential, such as CIX, which is our native token, basically for our company. So CIX is a huge project. It has already tripled in price, so people have done already 200% returns, and you can still also do huge returns. You just have to contact our sales team, and they will be in touch with you to buy some CIX coins. You can also see that we have the Nikon listed, which is a coin backed by nickel, and of course other currencies. There are also a lot of other currencies that are available on our exchange. So let's, for example, look at the CI card. So the CI card is coming very soon. It is like a Visa card, but you can pay with crypto basically. So you can fund it with crypto, you can withdraw crypto. It's a whole new level card. I advise you to have it. You just have to deposit a small amount and you will be able to have the Centurion card. What can you buy with it? You can buy all these products that are listed here on our website, such as Amazon gift card, Fortnite, Jawakir, PlayStation Network, PUBG, Xbox, whatever you might think of, even Skype, Spotify, whatever you might think of, uh, everything is available right here. And let's look at the last thing for our website. There are a lot of things, but for the sake of time, we will just look at the student plan for now. It is like an investment plan where you deposit 10K, if I'm not mistaken. Just let me open it. Problem. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, this is done. So yeah, you invest $10,000, you can have $500 fixed monthly income for 3 years. So if you calculate it, you will have around $18,000, which is 80% return, guys. This is huge. So this is all for our website. Now let's dig into some analysis. Let's start at the daily time frame with the Bitcoin. So I will remove all the drawings. Okay, so guys, as you see that starting November, or starting, let's say, 2022, we have started in a downtrend, which is explained by this trend line. And also draw another trend line right here. Okay, we can also identify some major levels. So the major level of resistance right here, or we can wait and dig deeper into the 4 hours to identify those. So as we said, guys, the daily time frame is still bearish. However, we have bottomed right here at the 18K level. So this is the 18K. This was our bottom right here. what Bitcoin is doing basically is somewhat of a correction on the long time frame. However, on the short time frames, it would be explained as impulsive moves upside. So this is what's happening for Bitcoin. Let's see if we can spot anything else. Okay, so guys, at the 4 hour time frame, we can see a couple of things. We can see that we have been attempting a higher high and a higher low every time. So we could expect something like this right here before actually continuing up. However, if you look at the Fibonacci from the high to the low, we are currently at the 50% retracement. So so basically it's a very good level to hold for Bitcoin. So it may not do actually this lower low right here. It may actually just go up from here and do another higher high. So this would be considered as the higher low, and then we will do a higher high right here at the 25K. Um, let's look back at the daily and see where would be our retracement level. So if we did this from the high of the structure to the low of the structure right here, we can see that the maximum that we can target is the 27K. So guys, I will just put it right here 27K. I will just put a mark right here so that we know that we have a potential to get to this area because of two things. First of all, because of the Fibonacci retracement, in order to then continue bearish, and because of this trend line and the trend line right here to target the 27K. After the 27K, we might see something like this and continue back down. So let's look into the 1 hour time frame to spot some trades right now. I will remove all of these since we now know where we would be looking basically. And from what I see is that Bitcoin now is on a support level of 22.8K. So it's actually right here at 22.8K. Let me just adjusting the level. Okay, so guys, this is the 22.8K. As you can see, that Bitcoin actually rejected several times. So that this rejection, you can see it at the 15 minutes time frame. So as you can see right here, right here, right here now. And before that, we can see right here, right here, and right here. So we have several rejections at this level. What I'm looking for is that Bitcoin not actually breaking this level and actually taking a long from here with a tight stop loss, targeting guys at least 23,400. So this is a risk reward of 3, which should be a minimum for you guys. So this is what I'm looking for Bitcoin. However, we should be aware of Bitcoin breaking the 22,700. So this level is key. Okay, I could not like uh, stress much about this, but this is a very key level for Bitcoin because else we have a big range targeting at least 21K and then maybe less and less and less. Okay, guys, so it seems that Bitcoin is actually breaking this level. So, as I said, we need a closing right here in order to continue bearish. We still have 30 minutes, or let's say 5 minutes for the 30 minutes closing. So, you guys have to be aware of the 30 minutes closing. If it closes bearish right here near the 22,650, it's very bad. We can see something like this. So you can take a short entry right here with a stop loss above the previous high targeting the 22K. So this guys is also a big trade. You have to be careful, you have to be aware of what you're doing. Stay tuned to our channel to know what are the next steps. Hello, Muhammad. If you have any questions, please let me know. Um, let's look a bit at the 5 minutes time frame. You can see that at 5 minutes have broken the low. Uh, it looks like it's going down. Be positioned for a short at this level. Let's look at the daily time frame, what the daily is doing. Let me remove all this. Okay, guys, so the daily actually broke the previous low. We still have this low right here. If we break it, as I said, we will be going directly to the 22, 21K level. In order to at least touch the trend line right here, and as I said, I think we will touch the 21,500 level. So I will mark it for you. Okay, so this is the support. This is our target in case of breakdown. And this is long-term target, or let's say a short-term target for longs. Okay, guys, so that's basically it. It's very clear. In case you're wondering, sorry, what's this? This is the bottom, guys. That's it, basically. So, as a summary, we are trending down. However, on the short-term time frames, such as the 4-hour time frame and the 1 hour, we are trending higher with higher highs and higher lows. We are currently at support, and it's trying to break the support. So we would believe, or we believe that it will do a higher low right here. So we have done a higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low, and now we are attempting a higher low. It's either it stops right here at support and continues up, or it still has opportunity to do a higher low right here. So yes, it is a bit complex. The market is not clear, especially with all the news that's coming. Basically, that's the setup for Bitcoin, guys. Uh, Stay tuned to our channel. I will be just focusing on Bitcoin for now because the Bitcoin dominance is high, is going up and up and up. So we have a target for Bitcoin dominance around 43%, which will kill alts. So I would rather just look at Bitcoin, and let's just take a look at Ethereum and what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum failed to break the 1750 level. It's back at the 1575. It's doing this bearish flag. So it's clear that you can take a trade like this, targeting the 1530 right here. So that's it, guys. I hope you have benefited from the webinar. In case you have any questions, please let me know. And please ask us via Telegram. And thank you, guys.